Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a i3 8th generation and 1080 Ti build. The approx budget for this PC is 45,000 rupees, which includes original Windows 10 Professional. Yes, Windows 10 Professional is available on our website techmartunbox.com just for 1500 rupees. So visit our website if in case you want a genuine window key from our website. The link would be in the description box below. Let's start with the component details which we're gonna use in this build. So starting with the cabinet, we have Circle CC820 cabinet. This is available for 2800 rupees only. For the processor, we have got Intel i3-8100. This is available for 9000 rupees only. For the motherboard, we have got Gigabyte H310MH. This is available for 5200 rupees only, and it does support 8th generation processor. For RAM, we're gonna use G.Skill Ripjaws. This is 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz. This is available for 6400 rupees only. And for graphic card, we have got Inno3D GTX 1050 Ti. This is 4GB and available for 13,800 rupees. For power supply, we have got Corsair VS450. This would be sufficient for our build. This is available for 2300 rupees only. For storage, we are using WD1TB Blue. This is 7200 RPM and available for 3000 rupees. Although I will also recommend you to add an SSD. In this build, we are not adding any SSD. SSD is highly recommended. And to enable Wi-Fi, we are using this TP-Link Wi-Fi. This is available for 450 rupees only. And in this PC, we are also adding a DVD. This is Light on DVD for 850 rupees only. And for Windows, we are installing Windows 10 Professional, which is available for 1500 rupees only, and that's available on our website. So that's about the component details. Let's just go ahead and start the assemble process. We'll assemble the PC, we'll install the Windows, and we'll ship the PC to our customer. If in case you want to purchase any of the product, the link would be in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out our website. So let's just go ahead and start the assemble process. The CPU fan heatsink comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you really don't have to add additional thermal paste. Alright, we are done with the PC assemble. Genuine window has been installed, which is just for 1500 rupees only, and that's professional. So the PC is working absolutely fine. I have not uploaded any benchmark for this particular build. However, it can run all modern games which is available today. Even PUBG can be played at 50 frames. So that's about the video for this i3 8th generation build. If in case you wish to purchase any of the product, check out the link in the description box below. You will find all the product links there. That's about the video. Do follow me on Instagram for latest update about our channel. And let's end the video here. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.